In this video, I will show you exactly how to set up a slider panel overlay display form for your website using Typeform. This particular layout is fantastic because it allows your form to slide in seamlessly from the edge of the screen, providing a professional and non-intrusive experience for your visitors. To get started with this process, you first need to open your specific Typeform within the platform. Once your form is open and ready to go, look at the top of the screen and navigate over to the Share tab. This is the central hub where you can manage all the different ways to distribute your form to the world. After you have clicked on the Share tab, move your attention to the panel located on the left side of the interface. Here, you will see several options for sharing, but you want to select the one that says Embed in a web page. This will open up a variety of layout choices to determine how the form appears on your site. For this specific tutorial, you should choose the slider option from the available layout choices. By selecting slider, you are configuring the form to function as an overlay panel that glides beautifully into view rather than taking up the entire page or being hidden in a link. Once you have customized the settings to your liking, find the button that says Get the Code and click it. Typeform will then generate a specific script and HTML snippet just for you. All you have to do is copy this generated code and paste it directly into your website's code editor where you want the trigger to appear. This simple integration ensures your slider panel is active and ready to collect responses immediately. It is an incredibly effective way to increase engagement without disrupting the user flow of your site. It only takes a few moments to set up, but the professional results speak for themselves for any type of brand.